Okay, so this is the LSB 2-column verse by verse. This is wrapped in Badalassi Carlo, their Pueblo and Cognac. You have medium brown stitching, and you have a brown ribbon and a seal brown ribbon. Very subtle, just a little bit darker, the seal brown on the bottom. We have the 2-column verse by verse, Theopneustos, my signature, and the rugged cross on the front. Now, what I like about this Bible is the profile's really good in the hand, portable, and I just love this version. Let me show you the 2-column verse by verse. This is the 2-column verse by verse layout, which I love the format of the LSB verse by verse format. We do have some notes on the bottom, and there's not a lot of margin space, but that's not the design of this. This is good for everyday carry. It's just a beautiful Bible. It's going to go really well paired with the inside column reference LSB that I make. This Bible is pre-made. I'm going to be pre-making a bunch of these in this color, as well as the olive that is in the press right now. I'll make another video on the olive. That's going to be a really sharp color. But if you want this specific Bible, just go to my website, sofieldleather.com, and look up LSB, and I have 2 versions: the the inside column reference, and the verse by verse. These are going to be always available. If they're not available, make sure to sign up on the waiting list. It gives me an idea of which Bibles I need to start pre-making again, so I have inventory. All right, God bless you. Have a good day. Bye.